Hello and welcome to this course on Terraform using Azure. My name is Sajesh, and this video we will see what are the prerequisites for this course. So there are certain prerequisites you need to complete for doing this demo. The first step is create your own Azure subscription. So we need an Azure subscription for doing all our tasks. So first step, open your favorite browser and type the URL portal.azure.com. So if you already registered, you will get a page like this, and you can use that login ID to login. Otherwise, you have option to use some different ID, or you can create your own new subscription. Since I already registered and I have a subscription, I'm using that for logging here. Typing my name here, and then it will prompt me to type my password. So if you have not registered, so you can register and use that credential to log in. So once you log in, you will get a page like this. So this is a graphical view of Azure portal, and there are a lot of options. You can watch or view your resources, and whatever the resource group, that also you can list, and a lot of options are available. So I will explain all these things later in detail. Now just understand. So you need to log in to Azure portal using your ID. And if you have not registered, or if you don't have an Azure portal ID, go ahead and register for yourself. Second prerequisite is you need to install Azure CLI. So this is the software which allows you to connect to Azure from your machine. So for that, open your browser and type Azure CLI download. Okay. So this is an executable you can download and install, and use this official Microsoft link, and choose your operating system. So here I'm using Microsoft Windows, and I can choose that option. So once you click there, you will get a page like this. Again, you have multiple options: MSI or MSI with the command, or package manager. So I'm going with the MSI, and download will take a moment, and I can click and download this into my system. So choose all default, accept the license agreement, and wait for some time to complete this installation. So that's it, finished. And we can validate this by opening this command prompt and type AC login. So this is the command that you can use for connecting to Azure portal. So AC login will either open a browser URL, or you can just copy and paste this URL and use your favorite browser to log in. So you can copy that entire string, or just click there. So here you have to write your credential, or your Azure portal credential that you have already registered. So I'm using my login ID, and since I'm using my Edge browser first time, it's getting message like this, and once prompted, type your password also, and then sign in. So that's it. Here it's saying like you have logged in, then you will get a JSON or a message like this. Okay, so that means you have successfully connected to your Azure portal using this Azure CLI. Next prerequisite is download and install Terraform. So we need Terraform binaries and place it into some location. So for that, just open the browser and type this text, download Terraform. And you can choose this official hashicorp.com website, and where you have option to download the one which is matching with your operating system. So using Windows and 64, I can choose AMD 64 option. So here it is. We have downloaded Terraform, and which is something like a compressed folder. We can uncompress this and get that Terraform executable. So just to use this extract all option and extract it into some directory. You can see there is an executable Terraform which is available. So we can copy and paste it into some location. So I'm copying this and pasting it into some location inside the C drive. And here I'm going to create a new directory called Terraform and placing my executable inside this directory. Okay. So make a note of this location C:terraform. So this is the location where I have my Terraform executable. So we need to add this path into our environment variables. Just go ahead and get that environment variable option, and we can go to this environment variable and modify or append this new path into the path variable, and choose this new option and add this new path and add it. Okay, then again okay, that's it. So we have added this into our path, so we should be able to use this from our command line. So use this option Terraform version, which should give us the version information. So if it's working fine, so that means our Terraform is properly added to the path. So next prerequisite is to install Visual Studio Code. So this is the favorite editor, so which I'm using. So you can choose any other editor also, that is fine. But Terraform, Visual Studio is a free, and you can download it from internet. So choose the one which is matching with your operating system. So I'm choosing Windows. Go ahead and download and install that. Okay, click OK and then continue. Accept the license agreement and other details like where you want to do this installation, etc. And then continue and complete this installation. So this will not take much time. Within few minutes it will get completed. That's it. So we can finish this and launch this Visual Studio Code. So the next step, what we are going to do is we can add the plugin, and which makes our life much more easier. The things like syntax highlighting and other options are available. So go to this extension option and search Terraform, and choose the one from the official provider, so which is HashiCorp. Select that, okay, and then install. So this is from HashiCorp and you can use this. So that's it about the prerequisites we have seen. So all these things are important, so before doing your hands-on exercise. Hope it's very clear. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.